I bought this disgusting broken PC on Facebook Marketplace and it was part of a 2-PC deal. This PC was just sitting there in his shed. When I bought the other one, I saw it sitting there and I was like, what are you doing with this PC? He was going to chuck it out. So I offered him $10 and thought to myself, what's the harm if it's broken anyway? Now, it does only have 3 feet on it, and it quite obviously needs a lot of love and work. There is dust absolutely everywhere, and it stinks. I think a simple wipe over of everything, get the toothbrush in there, I think it'll clean it right up. Now, it's too dusty to see the specs. However, I am certainly curious if this will be a good little budget gaming PC for someone. Let's get into it. If you are sick of this watermark and not being able to utilize all of Windows features, then head on over to whokeys.com. Purchase a Windows 10 Pro key for $16 or a Windows 11 Pro key for $22. Use my code IFR25 for 25% off with loads of payment methods. Copy your code from the user center and paste it here to activate. They also provide you with a step-by-step guide and 24-hour support. Now, before I do any sort of cable management and find out that something is not working in this PC, I want to test to see if it works. Let's give it a shot. Now, I'm not expecting a lot from this PC with an i7 2600 and a Radeon HD 6850, but hopefully this is a good little budget gaming PC, or we can play some Rocket League or something like that. Look at that, guys, it actually boots up. Let's clean up this system and see how it performs. This PC is now playing Rocket League 1080p, performance settings, and we are achieving 58 FPS on average. It is so close to that 60 FPS mark, and the gameplay feels so smooth. Now, I'll admit it cannot handle any GPU intensive games, and there are some games that are just too modern for this GPU to actually launch. So this PC is going to be more for those games which aren't as demanding, but it just goes to show you can have some fun with a $10 PC. You know, when first getting this PC, I always knew that it wasn't going to be a PC capable of playing every single game out there. I knew that the hardware was lacking, but I also knew that a PC like this could make a little kid's day. They could be wanting to jump on their favorite games such as Rocket League and just have a kick around, and a PC like this can do that. You know, when buying a PC like this, I fully knew that it wasn't going to be able to play every game out there. The hardware is just lacking. However, it is good to see that you can spend a little bit of money, play a game that's not as GPU intensive, and perhaps make a kid's day. So what I want to do is I actually want to give this PC away. I want to give it away to someone who is really in need. I bought this for $10, but for $100 out there, you could buy a better PC than this. Now, what I want to say is anyone who can afford to buy a $100 PC, please do not enter to get this. I really want to bless someone who is in need, who has a child who is maybe unfortunate, just want to brighten a child's day. So in the comments below, please let me know if this is you. You're in that situation. You have a daughter or a son who would love a little budget gaming PC to play one of their favorite games, something that's not GPU demanding, and I'll happily send this out to them. Thanks for watching, guys. We really appreciate your support. Please leave your comments down below as well. If you want to see more videos like this, we're happy to push them out. God bless you all. Check out this little budget PC that we just cleaned up, and we'll see you in the next one.